2015 Infiniti QX70 or fx35 or fx45 radiator replacement. We are already doing it. So the top parts needs to come off. There is a bunch of 12 millimeter, and there is one bracket right here, as you see. Take off these plastic clips. There is 10 millimeter. Take it off, and the condenser unfortunately needs to be come off on this case. There is some videos they said you might not to need to take it off, but anyway, you're gonna have a very hard time because of those brackets and everything. Take it out. That's a proper job. That's the way that to do. Take it off from here. Make sure you vacuum it before that. Take it off, clean it, and put it back together. Vacuum it and recharge it properly. And this is the radiator support. You see it over here. One more thing right here is the radiator support is not gonna come off. So everything is gonna come this way from this opening. And we have this connector, which is attached to the upper radiator hose. It has got 4 bolts on it. We already removed this and disconnect this one. That's gonna give us better room to slide it in this case. So airbox needs to come off. Make sure you disconnect the battery because of the sensors and everything. So when you take off the airbox, the fan, the electric fan over there, as you see, needs to come off. And disconnect the fan, disconnect the high pressure switch on the AC condenser, and disconnect the bracket along with the hood latch, both hood latches. And after that, take off this lock on both sides. When you take that lock off, then you should be able to push that clip either in or out with the flat screwdriver. When you do that, there is one more down there and one more over there. You're gonna separate the AC condenser over there from the radiator. And as I mentioned, you remove those lines over there. When you remove those lines over there, you should be able to pull out the AC condenser. When you pull out the AC condenser, then that's the radiator. You disconnect the transmission line, transmission fluid line from the cooler, and disconnect the bottom, the lower radiator hose, and take the whole radiator hose out of the way. There is no special bleeding procedure. However, leave the heater to run for full blast for at least 30 minutes. Check the coolant and you should be fine. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.